Greenwood Forest is one of the most sought after and classic neighborhoods in Cary. So when a house comes on the market in Greenwood Forest, it's kind of an event. Especially a home like this, which is almost 2,200 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, on a cul-de-sac with a large lot and a 2-car garage, which is actually quite rare with a home of this age. So you're going to want to check out this video, folks. Let's check out 1103 Warren in Cary.
Gorgeous home has a seated bay window, gleaming hardwood floors. The HVAC system is a 2024, and they have updated the kitchen with stainless steel appliances featuring a gas range.
Okay, I just love this screen porch.
And how about this fenced-in backyard? The neighborhood is so great.
Speaking of the neighborhood, stick and stay for the next video coming up where Kay and I go into a deep dive about the Greenwood Forest neighborhood. And whether you're looking to purchase a home in the next 9 days or 9 months, our team's ready to help you.
And if you want to see 1103 Warren Avenue, just pick up the phone and let's talk.